Some people may experience sneezing after orgasm. This phenomenon is known as postcoital tristesse and is still not entirely understood. Ever sneezed after an intimate moment? You're not alone. Some people experience what's called orgasmic sneezing. This intriguing phenomenon occurs post-orgasm, leaving many feeling a tad confused. It's known as postcoital tristesse, a fancy term for a post-lovemaking sneeze. Isn't it bizarre that pleasure can trigger such an unrelated reaction? Scientists are still puzzled with this quirky body response. Theories suggest it's a neurological hiccup, where signals get crossed in our complex brain network.